What's up, London? It's great to see so many of you here. We're really excited today because we're launching not just one, but 2 new products. That's right. Now, we think that we finally have something that's worth bringing to the world. So now I'm proud to introduce our first new product of today, Bullets Wireless. Do you like what you see? Tell me a joke.
What did the marlin say to the swordfish? You're looking sharp.
And now for the really cool part. They're magnetic. When you put them together, they power off. To switch them on, you just separate them. Thank you. There's also a magnetic resume feature, which means that when you separate them, not only do they turn on, they also continue playing your music exactly where you left off. And you can also answer calls using this feature. Just separate the earphones to answer the call. Thank you. These features are also backwards compatible with OnePlus 5 and newer devices. And one of the biggest frustrations that we had with wireless earphones is that they run out of battery too quickly. And have you ever noticed how it always seems to happen when we need them the most? And slow charge speeds only make the problem worse. So we've solved this by bringing one of our most loved smartphone features to the Bullets Wireless. Some of you might have guessed it, fast charging. Charge them for 10 minutes and use them for up to 5 hours. 10 minutes gives you 5 hours. And the fact that they automatically power off as soon as you put them together means they never end up using power needlessly. And because the fast charge functionality is fully embedded in the earphones, you can charge them with any standard USB Type-C cable. Pretty amazing, right? Each earphone is also fitted with an energy tube. With regular earphones, the sound waves coming from the sound unit bounce around in all directions, causing distortion. The energy tube, however, absorbs those interfering sound waves, meaning that only the sound waves that are traveling in the direction we want them to travel reaches you. And this is what gives you a clearer reproduction. We think we finally created a product that meets our standards. We're pleased to say that the Bullets Wireless will retail at £69, €69, and $69. But just one thing though, I wonder, if you can connect your earphones using Bluetooth, you don't need a headphone jack anymore, do you? We're going to start by showing you all the specs in 1 minute, just to get them out of the way. The OnePlus 6 comes with the latest Snapdragon 845 processor and the Adreno 630 GPU. It comes with up to 8 gigabytes of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. On the networking front, it now supports 4x4 MIMO and dual SIM. The screen, it's 6.28 inches, and the camera now has both OIS and EIS. We heard you loud and clear on the OIS part. It comes with 16 and 20 megapixel dual cameras, both with apertures of f1.7. The phone is also water resistant to daily risks of splashes and weather. And yes, there's still a headphone jack. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, the front is almost all screen. The OnePlus 6 features our largest display yet at 6.28 inches. The phone itself is almost the exact same size as our previous phones, and it remains just as easy to hold and to use. We haven't made the phone larger. We've just given you more screen. Also, the navigation bar can now be replaced with gesture control, freeing up even more space for an even cleaner look. Simply swipe up in the middle of the screen for home, or swipe up to the left or the right for back. All the features you love, like the front-facing camera, the earpiece, the ambient light sensor, the notifications LED, they're still all there. The volume rocker and SIM tray are on the left, and on the right, over the power button, and above it, the alert slider. In display terms, our goal with the OnePlus 6 was to offer you as much screen as possible without compromising any of the tech you love. Frequent software updates are really important to our users, and at OnePlus, we've always made them a priority. Some of you might already know, the OnePlus 6 is one of the first devices in the world to get the Android P developer preview. We're really proud of this, so for all you developers or enthusiasts who want to test drive what's coming to Android later this year, you can download it from our website in the next couple of days. It's easy to add a lot of features and decorations to Android, but that's not what creates a satisfying user experience in the long run. Our users often describe OnePlus as pure Android. I think what they're referring to here is the fact that Oxygen OS isn't cluttered up with pre-installed apps and instead offers you a fast and smooth experience. Camera is one of the most used features on a smartphone, and it has always been an important focus area for us. There's a few things in particular that I want to call out. First, the issue of taking pictures in low light conditions. Our solution was to increase the size of the sensor by 19% to 1.22 microns, bringing more light into the sensor and therefore capturing more detail with less noise. Let's look at some of the photos taken with the OnePlus 6 to see what it can do. On this shot to the left, you can see a lot of detail in the cityscape. I really like this one with the neon lights. It makes you feel like you're almost there. So are you impressed? With the OnePlus 6, you can shoot for up to a minute and later choose which specific section you want to have in slow motion. At 480 frames per second, OnePlus 6 is the only smartphone on the market that can shoot slow motion for this long at such a high frame rate. There's also a new video editor, giving you more control than ever over your creations. For normal video, you can now crop, add filters, and background music. With OIS, great low-light performance, new portrait mode features, and slow motion, the OnePlus 6 camera is a camera that we're very excited about, and we look forward to seeing what you create using it. We've shown you a few sample shots from the OnePlus 6 today, and you can see more by checking out our Instagram account. And so, people, that's the OnePlus 6. All these elements come together to create what we believe a fast and smooth experience should be. The OnePlus 6 will be available in these two variants, the Mirror Black and Midnight Black, starting May 22nd, with the limited edition Silk White on June 5th. We're proud to tell you that the OnePlus 6 will start at £469, €519, and $529. And here are the prices for the full range. You can buy it online on OnePlus.com or via any of our partners. We got a surprise for those of you who bought tickets to be here today. Do you want to know what it is? Yes! If you buy the OnePlus 6 from OnePlus.com, you will get free a pair of Bullets wireless, I want to thank the team for making it all possible, and also their families for their patience and support. I know a lot of you guys are watching right now, so thank you.